Go ahead and squeeze. Wow, look at that. Hi everyone, welcome back to Koa Family Adventures. If you're new here, my name is Donna. We like to share family adventures, explore new places, and just find fun ways to learn together as a homeschool family. Today we're going to be putting together a cardboard kit. This one is a robotic arm, so let's see how we do. Okay, I just laid everything out on the table. It comes with the straws, twine, the instructions, and looks like each of these pieces are labeled for us, so it shouldn't be too difficult for us. And I also see that they included a video, so we're probably going to watch the video first because we are visual learners. So let's get to it. You know how to turn it on? All right, I got this. And go all the way down, all the way down. Still working on our cutting, but it's okay. It's close enough, right? Mm-hmm. Let's find B, and then we're gonna cut that one. Ah. Okay, you got B. So let's start it up here. Yeah. Okay, we're gonna follow the lines, right? This is your guide. We're gonna follow the lines. Go ahead and turn on the machine. I know you're probably wondering about this blade. Don't worry, because this is a bladeless cutter, so it's safe for him. Here we've got all of our pieces cut. They're not perfect, but they are cut, as you can see here. We're just gonna work with what we got. All of our scrap pieces, we're just gonna put it in our bin right here with all the rest. Did you get your tool? Okay, so this tool here, you see the circle? So you're going to go ahead and punch only that circle part, okay? Okay, go ahead and press down, and you see where the lines are? Right here. You're just gonna hold it and you're just gonna go over it with the, yep, don't go all the way through, just, yep. Just go ahead and press down, there you go. Do it one more time. We're not making a hole in it, we're just like drawing. So you're gonna bend it up just like I was showing you here. Go ahead and try to do that one right there by the line. Yep, do the bottom one. Now do the next one right by the lines. And the next one. Good job. Ooh, good job.
Thank you.
I need to get myself one of those low temp hot glue guns. I don't have one of those, so this one is actually pretty hot. So I'll be gluing all these straw pieces together for him, and anything else that's going to need hot glue, I'm going to be doing that. All we have to do now is put the twine through each of these straws and then glue down some of the boxes for the arm part, which I completely forgot to film, so let me show you the ending result. Let's see, how's your robot arm going? And that's our robot arm. If you want to try this for yourself, I'll go ahead and leave the link for you in the description box.